Hello, 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 hello. My name is Effie. Most people call me Effie, but my English name is Henrietta, but the full name is Efehi. I'm here to talk to you about something I dived into online and has been very, very useful, and it has impacted my life like no other. When I say no other, I really do mean it. Originally, I'm a nurse practitioner. I'm a family nurse practitioner, and I'm still practicing as a nurse practitioner. I have my own private practice here in Texas, and I also have a non-emergency medical transport. But I do other jobs just to supplement those two businesses because I don't get loans from the bank to kind of support myself or having investors investing on me. But at the same time, having to do that, that means I had to take a pay cut. I just didn't pay myself for almost 3 years because I wanted the business to get off the ground. But in doing that, I had to take extra jobs on myself. Sometimes I work from home doing telemedicine. But that not being the case, there comes a time when you have to make a decision and say, you know what, is this what it is all about? So when I dived into this online marketing, something from a woman who is also a researcher, she has a full-time job, but she was also doing this on the side. I thought about it for about 2 weeks. I didn't want to sign up. I said, all these online businesses, they are just wanting somebody to buy something. So, but there was something that clicked in me and said, you know what do you have to lose? What do you have to lose, Effie? So I just clicked on the webinar. I registered and I signed for it. Guess what? I think it was the best decision I ever made for myself. When I went into the webinar, when I heard testimonials from all professionals, nurses, doctors, lawyers, engineers, researchers, professors, social workers, I didn't let them finish the webinar. I have to be honest with you before I signed up. I am almost retiring, okay? So I'm looking for something I can just do from home without having to kind of stress myself out and work 9 to 5 every single day or stay in the clinic every single day. So I said, you know what? Let me just try it out. Let me see what is going to happen. I have nothing to lose by going for the webinar, and nobody's going to put a gun to your head to sign up either. This is solely based on your own decision. But I can assure you, you will not regret it. This is an extra income, guys. An extra income like no other. You can put only 2 hours a day and still get something out. As long as you just fill out the form below and come for the webinar. That's all you need. If you are retired, you want to be still productive, this is for you. If you are a mom who don't want to put her babies in daycare for somebody that you don't even know to take care of the babies for you, this is also for you. If you are a dad who want to have more family time with the family and not have to work 2 jobs sometimes to make ends meet, this is also for you. If you're already retired but still want to do something that you can do from anywhere in the world. Miss Effie loves to travel. Guess what? I would love something I can take with me anywhere in the world and just do it from there. It's only 2-3 hours that I can do. So if you are retired, you just want something that you can do at your spare time, this is also for you. If you are not retired, you feel like, okay, this job that I've been doing for years is not giving me what I need, this is also for you. This has nothing that is going to take anything away from you. Instead, it's going to add to what you already have. Believe me. If you want to hear more, fill the form below and go for the webinar. And then you make your decisions from there. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything for you. You know I would never do that. I'll tell you the truth just like it is. Believe me. Sign up. You have nothing to lose. I didn't have nothing to lose. Thank you.